Hello traders, you are welcome to Versatilefxacademy. This is John. Today we are going to discuss very important topic in the world of FX trading. This question, anywhere I go, I see new traders, they ask me this question all the time. Why is it that 95%, why is it that they said 95% of all forex traders lose money? Why is it so? Why is the failure rate so high? Is it that people are not smart enough or people are not clever enough? Why is it that a lot of people go into the profession, but at the end of the day, they come out, they fail? It's only few. Even 95% is too optimistic. It's only if you put 100, if 100 newbies start forex trading today, in the next 3 months, only 2 or 3 will come out victorious. The 97, 98, 97 others are surely going to fall apart on the way. So being somebody that has been in the system, for the past 15 years, I've seen a lot of things in the market. Most of the things I've seen a lot of things in the market, actually. And I can see that there are 5 major reasons why a lot of people do not survive. Why 95% of forex traders, of new forex traders, lose 95% of their account or their capital within the first 95 days, even within the first 90 days. And even after beyond that 90 days, keep on losing their account. A lot of blown accounts. So from my experience in the market, there are few reasons why those things are happening. The number one reason is false beliefs. False beliefs. As a new trader, by the time when you look at your phone, you look at YouTube, you see forex brokers, you see forex broker giving out advertisement, you see forex trading gurus, putting up advertisement, making it, to make you feel that it is very easy, that it's very easy to make money in this business. They give you, broker will just give you the platform. And now, by the time you go into the platform, all you need to do, download the whatever. You download your chart, you format your chart, just take a trade, and you are good to go. And if you are lucky or unlucky, that very first day, if you are lucky, you just make profit. And by the time you make that profit that very first time, you get the impression that this is very easy. So the things that you are supposed to do that will prepare you, for the future, you will no longer do it because you believe that it is easy. Because the first time you got there, you just click something and you start making profit. Then sometimes that same demo account that they give you, we discover that brokers, they normally give you, they normally encourage you, to start practicing with a huge amount, like $100,000, $50,000, $20,000. Let me ask you this question. Yes, you that is watching me, you are watching me. You are a trader. You are an experienced trader. You are a new trader. Do you have $100,000 that you are going to use to trade? Do you? They are working on your mindset. By the time they give you 100,000 demo money to use to trade, you will get yourself used to taking huge lot sizes. You get yourself used to huge lot size. But by the time you now start using your real money in your real account, and you now be forced to be using very low lot size like 0.01, you will not be satisfied by the result you are getting because you're already used to large lot size. So you tend to increase your lot size, then you blow your account. Another thing that brokers are doing, wrong knowledge, wrong beliefs, wrong advice from brokers, is that they give you huge leverage. So they can even give you up to 500 to 1 leverage, 1,200 leverage. You are not to take that. Your leverage that you should take should be small. If you can even trade without leverage, it's even better. If you trade leverage will amplify your gain and it will also amplify your loss. If your trade is a losing one, you lose excessively. If it's a profit, if you are going to be profitable, going to make profit from that trade, it will be excessive profit. So what is the probability that you can continue to make a trade that will give you excessive what? That will give you win. So taking that lot size, their encouragement of you by training you from the beginning to be taking huge lot size is one of the problems. Then you see adverts from trading guru, they will ask you, come and pay so and so amount. They will teach you within 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Then you will start making money. You buy Lamborghini, you buy GL, you buy whatever you call it, different kinds of things. That lifestyle, that you see on YouTube, that is not the way it works. Those people are only advertising. They only want you to come and buy. The gurus want you to come. They want your money. The brokers want your money. They know the truth. That is why when you deposit money into brokerage account, they will send a mail to you. Thank you for depositing money. What do you think it means? Because they know that money you have deposited for trading is going to go back to them. So that is number one reason why lots of people lose money. The second reason why lots of people lose money is not having a proper trading system. What's a trading system? A trading system, you can only develop a trading system when you have experience in the market. A trading system tells you when to take your trade, when and where to take your trade, where to exit your trade, where to put stop loss, where to take profit. And also, we also help you to target invalidation point. By the time, this invalidation point, if the market moves against you and it gets to this particular area, you need to exit the market. That's the invalidation point. So a trading system should be able to tell you all this. Then trading system, you can also widen the scope. A trading system can also include your time of trading. Some people trade during the Japanese session. Some trade during London session. Some trade during New York session. But some like, to trade regardless of the session. So that you should also include that. The pairs that you like to trade, you have to include that as well. And so many other things. Even so many other things, yes, you include them in your trading system. So it will be not just only a trading system, but a trading process. So that you have to develop that. And you can only develop that after you have gained some experience. You cannot use another person's trading system and be successful with it. That is another thing that new traders need to be aware of. Another person's trading system cannot make you successful in the forex market. No, it doesn't work that way. Because your trading system has to be suited to your personality. Before you start developing a trading system, first of all, go to Google and take personality test. You will know whether are you best suited as a scalper, or are you going to be best as a day trader? Are you going to be best as a short-term swing trader? Are you going to be best as a swing trader, or are you going to be best as a position trader, which is also an investor? So which of them will be the best for you? You have to first of all find out. And it will be determined by the kind of person that you are, your patience level. There are some people that cannot hold trade for more than 5 minutes. If you cannot hold trade for more than 5 minutes, from the time you enter the trade to the time you exit, if you cannot hold the trade for more than 5 minutes before you exit and you want to take your profit, you can only be a scalper. And when you want to learn trading, you have to go and learn it from somebody that is also a scalper. If you are by personality, you are a swing trader, and you go and learn trading from a scalper, you will not be successful until you are able to realize yourself and switch to the right mentor that can train you as a swing trader. If you are a day trader, you cannot use the same trading system as a swing trader, and so on and so forth. So you have to understand who you are first. Like me, when I started trading, I thought I was going to do swing trading, a trade that I will hold for like 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. But later, I discovered that no, that was not what was best for me. The best thing for me would be either day trading or a short-term swing trading. And later, I developed a system around that, and I began to see results. So that is another area. People have not really ascertained who they are and match who they are with the trading system that they will use in order for them to gain success. Another trading system, another person develop cannot make you consistently profitable. Number 3, the third issue, the third problems that a lot of people are facing is that they don't know the true nature of the market. The market trading is a probability game. It's not gambling. It's not certainty. It's not gambling. It's just like when you are tossing a coin. If you flip a coin, you don't know whether it's the head that will come out or it's the tail that will come out. Just the same way, when you take a trade, you do not know whether it's going to be successful, you are going to win or you are going to lose. You don't know. There is no way of knowing. Even if you do your correct analysis, the only thing you can do as a trader, the only thing you need to do is to follow your process. When you have your signal, do the analysis, the direction is okay, the entry is okay, you take your trade. But whether it will win or it will lose, you don't know. So that's the way it is. That is why new traders, they are not aware that some trade, by the time you take it, it will either lose, you either win. Some of them, when they take a trade, when the trade is going against them, and they have looked at the market and they discover that, oh, this trade is going against me, and based on what I've seen, the situation of the market, the changes I've seen in the market, instead of them to exit the market and take their loss, they will leave the market running. The market will keep on running into loss. The loss will be getting larger while they sit back praying, begging God to let the trade come back to them so that they can come out even or come out at a profit. It doesn't work that way. When you take a trade, it's a probability game. You go to either win or lose. If it goes in your favor, it hits your take profit. If it does not go in your favor, it comes towards your stop loss. But if you have your invalidation point before your stop loss, by the time you get to your invalidation point, you exit the market. You don't have to feel anything. And when you are able to exit like that, you exit at a small loss. Instead of you to wait for the market to be going against you, and at the end of the day, you now take a very huge loss which can easily blow your account. So that is the number 3 reason why lots of new traders cannot survive in this game. Then the fourth thing I've seen in the market that happens repeatedly again and again is that a lot of people do not understand the direction of the market. What I see on YouTube everywhere, that everybody is looking at chart, is just all about entry, where to enter trade. But a lot of people do not pay attention, do not analyze the charts to know which direction is this market actually going. And for you to know the right direction that the market is going, you can only do that on monthly and weekly time frames. That is where you will know the true direction of the market. And the method for analyzing monthly and weekly time frames is not the same way you analyze lower time frame. In the lower time frame, you look for entry, but in the higher time frames, you look for direction. Proper understanding of direction is the key. You first of all know the direction you are going to before you know where to enter from. It's just like somebody traveling you are going to UK, from Nigeria to UK. You go to the airport, you jump into a plane that is going to Zambia without asking where they are going to. Yes, you entered plane in the right place. You enter plane in the airport, which is the right place for you to enter. But are you going in the correct direction? Is this Zambia you're supposed to go, or you're supposed to go to the UK? So at the end of the day, you find yourself in Zambia, you'll be wondering, instead of finding yourself in UK. That is what is happening to traders that don't do proper analysis. They don't analyze the higher time frame for them to know the correct direction of the market before they go and look for where to enter. Most of them, they go and look for But the moment they open chart, they go to 5 minutes, 1 minute time frame, 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame. Even for 1 hour time frame, most of them don't even go to 4 hour time frame. 15 minutes time frame, they start looking for where to enter the market. No, that is wrong. Monthly time frame should tell you whether you are going to be looking for a buying opportunity or selling opportunity, not just jumping into the market. By jumping into the market without knowing the direction, you are likely to lose most of the time. The fifth reason why most traders lose money is because they do not have the right knowledge. They have not put in effort to acquire the right knowledge. You need to acquire the right knowledge. You need to keep practicing every day. Knowledge plus practice gives you experience over time. That experience is what helps you by the time you are doing analysis, taking entry, and trading, managing your trade. Is your experience that will tell you, okay, this trade that is going like this, I took this trade in the morning, this is 12 o'clock in the afternoon, okay, this trade is going like this, like this, like this. Okay, from the way I've seen things, this trade is not likely to work. It's not likely to go to, or if you are a swing trader, you want to hold the trade for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. After 1 week, you discover that this trade is going nowhere. Your experience will tell you, based on the present situation of the market, whether the trade is going to be successful or not going to be successful. You have to acquire the right knowledge. I can see that in the market, a lot of people are jumping into smart money concept, ICT concept. These are not the only things that you need. The basics, you have to go and study Elliott wave theory. Elliott wave theory. Elliott wave theory is a theory that was, you even need to go back to Dow theory. Read Dow theory very well, understand it, then come to Elliott wave theory by Raffnes and Elliott. There's a book written by Raffnes and Elliott. Then later, other people work on it, like Mr. Preacher and other persons, they worked on it. You download it, go and buy it from Amazon, or download it, read it, make sure that you understand it. Then also look at Advanced Elliott Wave Theory by Glenelly. It's also there. Download it. These things will help you to understand the market. Then after Elliott Wave Theory, you also need to understand price action. Price action. Price action. When you are talking about support and resistance, some people say support and resistance don't work. They don't know what they are talking about. It works. It works. Price action, support and resistance, they work. Turning points, chart patterns, they work. You need to study it. Chart pattern like head and shoulders, they work. Double top, double bottom, they work. M shapes, they work. Inverted M, it works. Inverted W, it works. They all work. All other patterns, by the time you study Elliott wave, you understand a lot of other patterns like zigzag, flat patterns, triangles, then plus all those other price action patterns. You'll be able to have a sound knowledge of the market, whether it's stock market or cryptocurrencies or synthetic indices, they are all the same thing. By the time you have this basic knowledge, you'll be able to tackle whatever, you'll be able to trade whatever instrument that you have. Then you keep on practicing. As you are reading all this or studying all these things, go to the market and check how they apply in the market, how they work in the market. You'll be able to know what works and what does not work. Like some of us, when we started, our emphasis was on indicators. Indicators don't work. Well, so for some people, it may work for some people, but for me, indicator did not work. Those people that came up with indicators, maybe like RSI, Bollinger Band, or whatever, probably they know why it worked for them those days. It could be because of the market situations at that time. There was a time that the market was bullish, secular bull market. But this, our present day, the market is ranging. Go to Euro USD, go to GBP USD. Look at the chart for the past 20 years or thereabout. You'll see that the market has been ranging. So our time is completely different from the time when all those indicators were developed. And again, for an indicator to work for you, you also need to understand which instrument did the person use it for, and how did the person use it? For example, people, you are like ROSI, relative strength index, all those stochastic indicators. People use it, but they may not use it the right way. They will say, if it goes below 30%, you buy. If it goes above 70%, you sell. No, you can't use it like that. You have to use it in form of divergences, the hidden and open divergences. That is how best way you use it. Not when it goes below 30, you buy, and when it goes above 70, you sell. If you do that, you are going to lose a lot of money. Then, by the time you are studying all these charts, studying all these things, you go to the market and practice by yourself. You will see for yourself whether these things are working or they are not working. Then over time, over a period of 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, you would have known the market very well. You get yourself familiarized with the market. Then you will know what works. So that by the time you are developing your trading system, you'll be able to know what exactly will work for you, so that you can be consistently profitable. It is possible to be consistently profitable, but you need to put in the work. All these things that we have discussed, you need to go over them. Go over this video again and again and again until you internalize all these things that we have discussed here. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to like and subscribe so that YouTube algorithm can suggest it to so many other persons. I want this video to go viral so that a lot of our people will know that it works. You can be a consistently profitable trader, but you need to fix these things I have pointed